With puzzle joints, start by identifying the corresponding panels to be joined together. Lay out a plastic sheet on your work surface. Mix the epoxy, resin, and hardener, and then add cellophil to create a jelly consistency. With smaller puzzle joints, we suggest using an acid brush, but here we decided to go with a bristle brush. Apply the epoxy mixture to the inside edges of the puzzle joint, and then fit them together. Clean up any excess epoxy squeeze out using an epoxy spreader. Tighter joints may require gentle tapping with a wooden block and a mallet. When the veneers are perfectly level, place a plastic covering over the joint and a weight on top to hold it in place. Let that cure for about 24 hours. And that's your CLC Quick Tip for today.